The long leadership fights wey dey shake Action Alliance AA don finally end as Supreme Court don confirm say Kenneth Udeze na the real national chairmo of the party. The Apex Court sharply dismissed the case wey challenge the Udeze Led National Working Committee of AA as five-member panel wey Justice Lawan Gaba lead dismiss the case sake of say the person wey file am no show say im follow correct process. Frederick Iyiwisi be appeal the appellate court decision wey confirm Udeze leadership. Enjoy Osaro Waifo wey be AA candidate for 2024 Edo governorship election, Action Alliance AA and Independent National Electoral Commission INEC as people wey dem dey sue for the matter. But for the end, the appellant no follow through the appeal again. Kenneth Udeze, the Action Alliance national chairmo, for in talk with Tori people, come talk say,
there is no doubt that the said Chief Barrister Kenneth Udeze is the national chairman of the second respondent, that is Action Alliance. This is the judgment of the Court of Appeal that was brought before the Supreme Court of Nigeria for the Supreme Court to dismiss. This appeal has been dismissed today, and it has settled every issue that has to do with the leadership of the party. Now, we are gearing up towards 2027 election. There is nothing like hurdle or anything that can stop us from moving forward. I want to thank the leadership of the party. I want to thank members of the press for always following the activities of the party. Let me use this last opportunity to also comment on the issue that happened in Rivers State with respect to the judgment of the Supreme Court. Action Alliance have accepted that judgment in good faith, and we believe that our chairmanship person in a chair local government have also complied with that. And we believe that any day election is called up in Rivers State, definitely the people of a chair will vote us back because we have done a lot within the space of 3 months, within the space of these 4 months that we have been in power.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Udeze reporting for TMC TV.